Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Dagat. Dagat. Dagat meaning sea or ocean. Magaspang. Magaspang. Magaspang meaning rough. Magkahiwalay. Magkahiwalay. Magkahiwalay meaning apart or separated. Hindi nahahawakan. Hindi nahahawakan. Hindi nahahawakan meaning intangible or something that cannot be touched. Baha. Baha. Baha meaning flooded. Gunting. Gunting. Gunting meaning scissors. Hapon. Hapon. Hapon meaning Japanese. Kabute. Kabute. Kabute meaning mushroom. Sinturon. Sinturon. Sinturon meaning belt. Balikat. Balikat. Balikat meaning shoulder. Ikaw. Ikaw. Ikaw meaning you. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon meaning good afternoon. Kanya. Kanya. Kanya meaning his or her. This one is commonly used for cash. Sukli. Sukli. Sukli meaning change. Akin. Akin. Akin meaning mine.
Duhat. Duhat. Duhat meaning Java plum or black plum. Bakasyon. Bakasyon. Bakasyon meaning vacation. Dialekto. Dialekto. Dialekto meaning dialect. This is a more formal way of saying this. Ito. Ito. Ito meaning this. Galit. Galit. Galit meaning angry or mad or also upset. Kahit. Kahit. Kahit meaning even though. Lang. Lang. Lang meaning just. Pagod. Pagod. Pagod meaning tired. Matalas. Matalas. Matalas meaning sharp. Sipan. Isipan. Isipan mind or thought. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!